We in Chinatown, guys. Right, we're about to go to New York City. This city. All right, okay. Anywho, guys, so here we go. We're gonna get my Invisalign, cheese, and we're gonna go to Chinatown. So I never went to Chinatown by myself. I really never went to the city by myself. But we're going with Brianna, Millie, Rock. And I hope you guys like it. Like, comment, subscribe. You guys know. Here we go. Here we go. We're gonna go. Guys, the trains are open back in New York City. Oh my god. They've been? How long? This is the first time me riding the train with a mask. Oh my god. Ew, that's disgusting. Alright, we're gonna see y'all when we get to my dentist thing. Ew, my teeth are crooked. I need my teeth done. And yeah, I'll see you in a minute.
Closing doors, please.
But yeah, I'm on the bus to my dentist. It's not that hard. Here we go. Bus, y'all.
Next stop, west on 25th Street and Daventry Powell Boulevard. Transfer available to M2 Limited.
Guys, look at my shadow, look at my eyes, look at my teeth. Oh my god, I can't wait to get my new Invisalign just sitting, you guys know. That, look, that's my thing, and this is gonna go in my mouth, see? Thumbnail. Anyway, yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys go like it. I'm gonna see you guys when I'm getting the stuff thing. Oh god, my teeth is so yellow. Oh yeah.
Pull this a little bit more. Like that. Perfect.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Guys, I'm getting my Invisalign check. Oh, hold this?
Yeah. Pick up the lip. Good. I don't know.
Guys, what are you guys looking at? You guys looking at me? Alright, let's go. Hey! In a minute. See that? See my teeth? My teeth are sexy. Look at that. Look at that. Right. So y'all gotta put this on my mouth. See that? Ah, that hurt. Everyone is looking at my not lashes, my mascara, whatever, eyeshadow. You know, pink is a new thing. Let's see the trains are leaving. This is so nice. Oh my god. Hunter's a hater. Which way is Chinatown? Thank you. Oh snap. Come on, Bree. Guys, so we finally found our way. We was going wrong. I did not. Come on. Anyway, there's nobody on the street over here. See? Guys, look. There's nobody. You have a booger? Okay, I know. Guys, what are you guys laughing at me? I think I'm lost. I think we got lost. Oh my god. I gotta go to Canal Street. And then, yeah, we're going to Canal Street. Everyone's looking at me. Why is everyone looking at me? Oh, let's look. Hurry up. Let's go, guys. Oh. Alright, guys. I'm Brianna. Are we scared? I'm scared. I haven't been over here. I always come over here with my parents, but I never came over here by myself. Man, Chinatown. I want to find the snacks. Where's the snacks at? Look at that. For me. Guys. We're in Chinatown. Look at it. Look at me. I look pretty, right? Look at Chinatown. Really here. For these breads right here. Coconut cream bread. These over here. These over here. These are so... They get them. Alright, these are good. Oh my god, this is the best one too. That one over there is good. Oh my god. Guys, Brianna's embarrassed of me. Look at her over there. Always trying to act cool. You know, like, I know. Like, look at Brie over there. Brianna. Excuse me. You sure you don't like somebody's bothering me? What else? You know what's good? No, you know what's good? Do you want like bread? Mom used to buy this for me in the morning. Let me see this is chicken. I missed the coconut cream bread. I got it finally. No, it's not. We in Chinatown. You see? You try to rip yourself off. Get that penny. All right. I should have tried it. All the stuff from Chinatown. Oh my god. What's that? Oh. Okay, hold on. I'm looking so pretty. I got 3 boys that asked my number. You guys know the vibe.